Top jobs that will be replaced by AI in the next 5 years by AliAziz Quality Education.
AliAziz Quality Education channel providing you the job best interview related videos, so don't forget the subscription button.
Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the job market. While AI is creating new opportunities, it is also replacing many traditional jobs. Tasks that are repetitive, predictable, and data-based are most at risk. Let's explore the top jobs that are likely to be replaced or heavily reduced by AI in the next 5 years. 1. Data entry jobs. Data entry is one of the most vulnerable careers. Why AI will replace it? AI can process large amounts of data instantly. Automated software reduces human error. Faster and cheaper than manual work. Many companies already use AI tools instead of hiring data entry operators. 2. Telemarketing and call center agents. AI chatbots and voice assistants are replacing many customer service roles. Reason: AI can respond 24/7. Handles multiple customers at once. Provides instant solutions. Human agents will still exist, but mostly for complex issues. 3. Basic accounting and bookkeeping. AI accounting software can now record transactions automatically, generate reports instantly, detect financial errors. This reduces the need for junior accountants and bookkeeping staff. 4. Retail cashiers. Self-checkout systems and automated payment technologies are replacing cashier roles. Example: smart stores with AI billing systems. Mobile payment automation. Physical cashier jobs are expected to decline significantly. 5. Manufacturing and factory workers. Robots powered by AI are already performing assembly work, quality checks, packaging tasks. These machines work faster, longer, and with fewer mistakes. 6. Travel agents. AI booking platforms now handle flight reservations, hotel bookings, travel planning. Customers prefer using apps instead of traditional travel agents. 7. Basic content writing. AI tools can now generate simple articles, product descriptions, social media captions. However, creative and expert writing will still need human input. 8. Receptionists. AI-powered virtual assistants can schedule appointments, answer basic questions, handle visitor management. Many companies are moving toward digital reception systems. 9. Basic graphic design jobs. AI design tools can quickly create logos, posters, social media graphics. Entry-level design roles may decrease, but advanced designers will still be needed. 10. Warehouse and logistics workers. Automation robots can sort packages, manage inventory, deliver goods inside warehouses. This reduces manual labor requirements. Jobs that will not be easily replaced. AI struggles to replace jobs requiring creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, complex decision-making. Examples: doctors, teachers, engineers, psychologists, skilled technicians. How to stay safe from AI job replacement. To protect your career. White heavy checkmark: learn digital skills. White heavy checkmark: improve problem-solving ability. White heavy checkmark: focus on creativity and innovation. White heavy checkmark: develop communication skill. White heavy checkmark: adapt to new technologies. Future jobs will require working with AI, not against it. AI will not replace all jobs, but it will transform how work is done. People who upgrade their skills and adapt to technology will succeed, while those who rely only on routine tasks may struggle.